Alright, so welcome back to another short video. I had a package delivered today to my home by a good friend of mine, Graham. Thanks for bringing it around, Graham, if you're watching this. And this package, as you can see, is PaulHFilms. Paul H. And hi Graham, okay, to give it to Paul. So a friend of mine, Graham, brought it round. So I thought it's PaulHFilms, so I'll open it on this channel. So I'm going to use an American military knife, US. Apparently this was issued in the American military. I don't know if it still is. It was sent to me very kindly by Len, Southern Cross Vids. So here we go. Try and do it as tidy as I can. I like the recycled packaging, Dave. There we go. The Body Shop. Know it well. There's another one. It's like one of them Russian dolls. Another one. So here we go. We've got, it's a Wilkinson sword, flexible, Extreme 3 refillable razor with 3 flexible blades. Now I tell you this, what Extreme 3, God, they've come on. It's so long since I've used or bought one of these. These are handy for the back here of the neck when I cut my hair. I use a razor, D razor. I got one especially for it, but if that's flexible I might try and use that when I cut my hair next. So thanks Dave, that's one. Oh, look at this. Wilkinson. Well, I didn't know that. It's safe and simple shave. Wilkinson sword, intuition razor. See the Wilkinson sword, intuition razor. Rose gold, D razor. It's got a picture of a, is that a lady? Oh, it's a lady. Oh, it might be a lady shave, is it? Oh, I'm going to try that. I'll try that myself. Yeah. There's a picture there, just a lady doing her armpits. But thanks, Dave. I'm surprised I've never heard of that. Wow, I've learned something today. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Palm olive shave sticks. Put these in my collection, Dave. 2, 3 palm olive sticks. Can't buy them now here, only online at silly prices. And we've got some shaving cream, Omega eucalyptus shaving cream. That's nice. I'm just gonna, oh yeah, I love the smell of eucalyptus. That's nice. Thank you so much. So I thought I'd do the unboxing on this channel, being that it's addressed to Paul H. So thank you, Dave. 2 razors. That surprised me, I've never heard of that. We'll try that in a shave. Omega shaving cream, which is eucalyptus, and 3 palm olive sticks. Classic shaving soap. So thanks Dave, and thank you Graham again for bringing it round to the house and leaving it in that special place. So all the best, thanks for watching, have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you on Sunday for the weekend shave. So all the best. Bye bye.